pegando colecionável. Parecendo, não. Tá, né? Tá. Só no Wake.
Previously on Alan Wake, I'm hunted by the law.
Sheriff, Wake's running. I'm giving chase.
Are you seriously telling me that writer just took out my deputies?
A thriller I supposedly wrote is coming true. The genre of the story seems to be shifting. It's turning into a horror story. I was told that Alice had been kidnapped, but that was a lie.
We don't have his wife. We don't know where she is.
Her purported kidnapper was eaten up by the dark presence before it attacked me.
Alan, shh, baby. It was just a nightmare.
Alice.
There you go, Alan.
Hartman. I fell.
I had to give you a sedative. Don't fight it. You went through another rough period.
What?
Right now, it's very important that you stay calm. We don't want you to have another episode. You're a patient at my clinic. Have been for a while now.
Deixa rolando
Shock
aqui.
of your wife's death triggered a mental illness.
No.
Mais ou menos aí.
You're lying.
You're suffering from various symptoms of undifferentiated schizophrenia.
Bastard.
It's okay, Alan. Just let go.
Como eu tô só coletando, né, os trem, eu tava pulando assim. Deixa rolar
I
isso aí, só
felt
pra...
groggy. Whatever Hartman had bumped in me was making me numb. I felt like this was happening to someone else. Someone I was watching on television. I couldn't think. Couldn't focus. There were only empty sheets of paper here. No manuscript pages.
Deixa eu ver aqui. Tá seguindo um vídeo aqui pra eu deixar passar os trem, né? Seguindo um guiazinho aqui. Fechar esse aqui não precisa também. Diabo aqui ainda. Aberto. Pesquisa, as coiseiras. Pokémon. Cadê? História. Fácil achar. Aqui, ó. Essa parte aqui vai ser mais parada, né? Que vai estar aqui dentro, né? Demorar um pouquinho pra parte do combate. Vou pegar os trem que tem aqui e tentar adiantar um pouco. Gastei assistindo pra ver como que é as gameplay, né? Essa parte. Placa. Próxima coisa é a placa. Deixa eu ver. Aqui tá pra... Tá perto do relógio. Tá. Termos. Isso aqui tá na cara, eu não devia muito pego isso aí. Barulhão. Essas fanhas, vou. Esse tem para esse barulho. Lembrando. Trancando, meu.
Good evening, Alan. Are we feeling better now? Feeling
Tô
calm?
aqui, pô.
Yeah. I see you brought your pet gorilla with you, so sure, I'm calm. I get the message, loud and clear.
Quite right. That's the spirit. You're being very brave,
Já
Alan.
aprendi a fazer um
I
parkour aqui.
understand you're confused. I would be more concerned if you weren't suspicious of
Isso
me.
aqui, assim.
I don't blame you for it.
Big of you.
Now, why don't you come with me? We'll reacquaint you with my clinic and go over everything you might have forgotten. Little walk and some fresh air? Yes, it will do you good.
É isso aí, sai da frente.
This corridor is for patients. Most of them aren't here right now. Jack took them out for a fishing trip.
Abriu o trem.
Except for the ones who are particularly vulnerable, of course.
Preciso fazer bagunça, os caras. Abriu a porta.
I encourage creativity as a part of the recovery
Espera, né?
process here at Cauldron Lake Lodge. I specialize in treating artists.
I bet you do.
Splendid, Alan. I honestly
porta.
believe we can get this thing under control if we work together. This way, Alan.
Isso aqui é fixo. Vou derrubar. Tentando ir com a porta trancada. Ficou tudo, né, cada um.
Now, Alan, from past experience with you, I know I need to get right into the heart of the matter as quickly as I can after an episode. So I'm just going to say this. Alice is dead.
No.
You're in a very vulnerable state until you understand and accept this. Alice drowned, and you couldn't face that. You're suffering from hallucinations, paranoid delusions, unusual thinking, an obsession about light and darkness,
Trancado.
a feeling that everything
não, ai, que
revolves
tô
around
trancado.
you, your thoughts and dreams. Your
Tranca
mind
essa
has been
porta logo.
constructed an elaborate
Quero ver o
fantasy
negócio lá.
scenario in which your writings are affecting reality. She has been kidnapped and supernatural forces of darkness are trying to stop you. We go this way, Alan.
I wasn't ready for another shot, so I went along with it. He
Siga
had
o
me blind,
doutor.
But under the
Seguindo
influence of
mesmo.
the drug he had given me, I had to fight not to believe his words.
Esse aqui tá fixo também. Mexe. Conversando doido pra sair, é? A melhor coisa. Pô, é muito engraçado, dá pra fazer a graça aqui. Por causa da, tem coisa do objeto com física também. Subindo as trem. Aqui não dá, esses daqui tá preso. Colado no chão. Tem umas cadeiras dessa aqui, dá pra você sair empurrando.
It's all in your head. You've been making it up.
Eu já fui na frente dele
Tragic
ali, já.
accident with your wife.
Já vi o que eu
No
tinha
one
que
is
ver ali, já voltei.
Your delusions are just a manifestation
Ele já
of
saiu
your
correndo pra
subconscious
porta.
mind trying to protect you from the too
Tinha que
painful.
analisar aqui.
Unless we fight the fantasy, it will return. I know the instinct is to resist me, but think about it. Doesn't this make far more sense than the insane supernatural conspiracy you've
paredes
concocted in your mind? You're a skeptic by nature, Alan. We both know.
Aqui nessas partes aqui geralmente não dá pra pular, né? Parte de gameplay e de combate, assim, sei lá, né? Você
Cauldron Lake spreads
passa a
below us.
explorar os
I could
cantos,
see
né?
near a peak on the
Você
other side
consegue
of the
pular,
lake.
né?
I thought I could make out the spot where Diver's Isle had been when I arrived with Alice. Now there was nothing but waves.
Aqui não tem como, né? Daí
It seems there's a storm coming.
eu tenho que fazer umas
Funny, I
gambiarra pra
don't
subir
recall
no...
there being a mention
nos
of it
negócios.
in the weather forecast.
Às vezes eu empurro uma cadeira.
No matter. This way. Follow me.
Sai andando nas mesas. E pra que você diz isso? Ah, você diz pra que? Pra que isso? Sei lá. Só não me aquieta, né? Esperar ele subir aqui pra destrancar a porta.
Alan, what I'm telling you is good news. Right now we're in control. Every time you have a relapse, it gets more and more
Paciência.
difficult to resurface from the dark depths of your imagination. Not surprising, considering your profession. Imagination is what you work with. After all your nightmares, this should come as an immense relief to you. If it doesn't,
isso aí, mano.
why is that? Because I'm lying? Or because you don't want to admit that you're not well? It's very natural for you to think of me
Porque
as
tá
your
com
enemy.
o nariz
It's part of
machucado
the
ali.
I
illness.
let him
After
talk.
all,
Hartman
I'm the one
obviously
trying
loved
to
his
bring
own
you
voice.
out of the world
His
you've
words echoed
constructed for
madly
yourself.
inside my head.
But I can't
I dug my
do it
nails
by
into the
myself.
palms of my hands to stay
You need
focused.
to work with me. Once you accept that, we can begin the journey towards your recovery.
Olha lá, ele tá com
Come along.
curativo no nariz.
Now here's the entrance to the
Tipo,
office
fica
wing.
aqui, ó,
It's for
o-
staff only.
a garrafa de café. Já peguei também.
Scary, scary.
Essa mulher aqui que eu ignorei da outra vez, eu fui lá fora, daí pulou o diálogo dela. Tá aqui.
Emerson.
I'm a real bad dream, mister. You should be afraid of me. Don't want to run into me in the night, that's for sure.
Please, Emerson. Mr. Wake is confused enough as it is.
Yeah, you'd like me to go away so you won't be scared. But you can't just decide what kind of dream you have or when you have it.
Emerson,
Okay, sorry. Boo.
that's Emerson. We're actually making some progress with him, I'm happy to say. He works on video
Elbow
games.
strike. Ooh,
It's
yeah.
trash, of course, but it does involve
get him
some
to the head.
small creative effort, which makes him receptive to my therapeutic methods.
No kidding.
Eu tinha ignorado ela. Será que ela fala alguma coisa?
Come, Alan, this way.
Chega lá, não faz nada. É, realmente, não tinha nada aqui. Eu achei que eu tinha deixado passar algum diálogo. Não tinha nada. Ah, tem outras placas aqui, ó. Tem a placa com a cara dele aqui, ó. Aí pega aqui. Ah, tinha outra igual lá no outro corredor, só que aqui não dá pra interagir. Essa aqui, estatísticas. Aqui, ó. Falta de coisinha. 16 de 25 as placas. As placas é o que eu mais ignorei. As outras coisas só não enxerguei mesmo. As placas eu também não sabia qual que dá pra interagir. Chegar perto. Eu acho que eu ignorei. Porque tinha outras que não dava pra interagir. Não, eu tinha pego. Não, essa aqui eu já tinha visto. Então, né, o que eu fui fazer, né? Achei que tinha cortado diálogo. É que eu vim aqui, ó. Tinha esse daqui.
Oh, hello. I've painted you.
Okay.
I was just struck by inspiration a couple of days ago. Dr. Hartman wanted me to paint landscapes, and that's what I was doing. But now I've been doing these things, a lot of them. The images just keep coming. Dr. Hartman likes them. He has them in his office.
Yeah?
He's very proud of me. He says I'm getting much better. I think I'm getting better.
Sentindo melhor? Beleza.
Well, I guess I'd better start wrapping this up. The storm is almost here. Look at that. I'd hate to be out there tonight.
Aqui, essas daqui, ó, dá pra mover, ó. Enchendo ele de cadeira ali. Ficar pra ele sair depois, né? Pior que ele só vai sumir dali, né? Daí as cadeiras vai ficar do mesmo jeito. Isso que é engraçado, eu já testei isso. Engraçado quando você tem um NPC que faz. Mais uma placa? E aí, Vic? Bons dias. É onde ele tá, vai ter um. Ah, tá. Uns dias. Ah, vai ter uma placa aqui.
Now, you might have
É
noticed
tarde
the
demais?
typewriter in your
Eu
room
comecei
is writing as a part of the therapy. As soon
às
as you
1 e
feel
pouco
up
por
to
aí.
it, you should continue.
Ô, Glória. Não tinha chovido ainda, né? Aqui tá chovendo desde ontem. De ontem. Que já passou o dia, né? Eu vi que eu comecei era 2 horas, 1, 2 horas da tarde. Quando chegou lá para 7 horas da noite, veio temporal, eu interrompi a live, mas depois eu voltei já era uns. Era 11 por aí. Agora que passou. Passou entre aspas, né? Tá chovendo aí. Daí tem umas 4 horas e meia, eu acho. Somando. É isso aí. Essa também não contou. Então eu já tinha visto também. De pra chover, é. Chuva de verão, né? É pra abrir aqui a página. Script page 55. Cadê o negócio, mano? 'Fechou. Mas cadê o raio do escrito que eu não vi? Vai. Só depois aqui. 56. Mas cadê o 55? Já. Sei lá. Vou achar aqui, né? Foi muito antes, tá de madrugada. Para agora de manhã. Então é. Então, né? Anteontem choveu. Tipo, choveu 2 vezes mais forte assim durante o dia. Né? E o nem diminuiu e parou, né? Agora tem foi. Chuva o dia inteiro, né? Começou cedo. Chuva mais forte, daí acalmou, ficou chovendo fraco até de noite. E que a chuva que é o forte, então.
There's a storm coming. Oh, what a storm. I hope it wipes this place off the
Surgiu uma
face of the
parede.
earth.
And these two are the Anderson brothers, Odin and Tor. They had a, how should I put this? A heavy metal band in the 70s and 80s called Old Gods of Asgard. They even adopted new first names to complete the image of Viking gods. After the band broke up, they lived on a farm nearby. They are, well, in advanced stages of dementia. They're well cared for, TLC and all that. There's nothing more that can be done. I'm afraid that the rock and roll lifestyle has left its mark.
Oh, that won't do. I'm so sorry to cut this.
Skipar aqui pra mim.
My head was clearing up, or according to Hartman, I was sinking back into the fantasy. I was convinced he was lying to me about everything. Crazy or not, the Andersons made more sense.
Tom,
Interação aqui.
who's on you?
Yeah, no. Sorry,
we have
guys.
a stash of the special stuff at the farm. Our own formula. Local ingredients. Medicine. Clears your head right up. Makes you remember like moonbeams on the brain.
Oh, I just noticed. Leather patches on the elbows? That's not very rock and roll.
Tom just lost is all. Baba Yaga got to him too, the damn witch.
She used us all. Taken from all of us. Took my thunder, the witch.
And my ravens, what were they? Memory and thought, the hag.
She took something from you too, didn't she? That's what she does.
We're better off. This place, the lake, it gives you power. If you're a creator, an artist, a god.
Nightmare shifted in their sleep in the darkness of the lake.
Yeah, that's the
Vai
one.
poder que
He
assistir.
makes sure it comes out twisted and wrong. Just ask the lamp lady. She knows what happened to that other writer.
She's been using you,
Está
boy.
aí.
And
Sei lá.
you let her. You went and opened the door for her,
Verdade.
didn't you?
Now, it was already open a crack. And whose fault is that? We're morally corrupt, disease-ridden,
Mas eu corri na
old
chuva.
and stupid.
Doesn't mean he had to open it all the way, god damn it.
So tired. Built a farm close to the lake. A place of power.
Tem coisa pra pegar, mas não sei onde. Falou que tinha, mas... Tudo escrito. Fica pra cá.
I'm a bad dream, and you can't wake up. You can't hurt a nightmare because all dreams are only imagination. They're only in your head, and they're not there when you wake up. So you can't.
Ah, só falta um aqui. Eu peguei quase tudo.
Wake up because I'm in charge now, and I don't want to disappear. My nightmare is the
Hey,
publisher.
Wake, why don't you humor Dr. Hartman and give the writing a shot, huh? Typewriter's in your room. You can get to your room by those stairs, Wake.
Something's wrong. I'm not myself. It's hard to think that there's a shadow inside my head. I can only focus on writing. Everything else is a blur. I'm trapped in this cabin. Have been for days, but it's always dark outside. My editor is real. I saw her again. She's not human. It's not human. A dark presence is wearing the old woman's face. She was covered in clinging shadows. There's a hole in her chest where her heart should be. I think I've made a horrible mistake. I don't think I'm any closer to saving Alice. It's been lying to me, using me to get the story it wants, and the story will come true. Hartman had mentioned that the power had been acting up. Maybe that was the reason for the generator and the work light on the balcony. The generator hadn't been activated, and there was no key.
Marianne. É, a chuva tá em todo canto. De presente. Eu acho que deve ser da cutscene. 55. Deixa eu ver. Cinquenta e três, deixa eu ver. Script 55 da mas da onde? Acho que deve vir uma coisa da cutscene. Vou ver ainda cutscene pra ajudar ele. Vai ter várias coisas, né?
Hartman wanted me to write. I knew I couldn't, but I figured I should just play along for now. It was the only thing I could do with Nurse Birch watching me like a hawk.
Ah. Jeito. Sure. Termos. Então, perto da janela. Isso aqui tá bem na cara também. É muito difícil até deixar passar isso aqui. Eu vou bem, né? Pra garantir, né? Sabe? Aqui, né? Deixa eu ver. Canto também. Acho que era aqui, ó. É. Tipo, tá bem aqui, ó. Tem um QR Code aqui, ó. Quem quiser escanear aí, ó, pra ver. Curiosidade, ó. Eu já vi o que é. É um QR Code aí. Dá Pix pro Alan. Ele abre a imagem do. Tipo, tem um GIF. Abre lá a página com um GIF do. Sam Lake, né? Que é o diretor, né? Do Alan Wake. Dos jogos, né? E ele também foi o rosto do. Max Payne.
The white glare of the blank page in front of me hurt my eyes. I didn't know what the chaos was
Ele
all
fazendo a
about,
cara do
but
Max
it could be
Payne.
my only chance of getting out of here.
Engraçado.
Oh, afraid of the crazy brothers, are you?
Esse aqui é o da Pego também, tá no caminho. Não tem visto. Falta um só. Saber qual é esse um que falta. Mas ele vai pegando todos. É. Pegar o que falta. aparece mesmo você já tendo pego, né? Diferente das garrafas térmicas. Chave. Aqui, ó. E aqui tem uns trem pra ver aqui, porque tem uma conquista pra pegar aqui. Para que a atmosfera parece sair de cheio. Então, mas aqui é mais sobre a escuridão, né? Essa parte aqui tá um pouco parecida. É por causa do clima de chuva. Mas ele tem uma atmosfera de... Digamos que aqui é sobre a escuridão, né? Que toma conta das coisas. Daí você tem que meio que... Com isso... iluminar, né? Isso.
Sinclair looked bad. That wasn't a love tap. The crazy old fart hit her hard. If she was one of Hartman's goons, she had it coming. I had to get to Hartman's office. He had taken all my manuscript pages. That's where he'd been keeping them.
Aqui, ó. É o andar de baixo, na real. Aqui, ó. Aqui, ó. Dá pra pular agora. Depende da hora da gameplay. Às vezes você consegue pular e às vezes não consegue, né? Vou correr também, né? Ele tá conseguindo correr aqui. Você já daqui a pouco tem combate. Aqui destranca. Eles cantando. A gente vai ver essa música mais pra frente.
The photo on the wall caught my attention. In it, the clinic staff was standing outside the lodge. I knew the man next to Hartman. He was the kidnapper. Hartman had been playing me all along. The markings on the tape said they were recordings Hartman had made of the sessions with his patients. I saw Alice's name on one of them. For a moment, I couldn't breathe right.
Aqueles velhos lá, é tipo uma banda fictícia aqui, né, do Alan Wake, né, e dos outros jogos do universo. Só que ali já tão velho. Daí tem várias músicas deles aí. Só que na vida real é uma banda que faz, né? Que canta essas músicas aí.
Now, Mrs. Wake, can you tell me
Old Gods of...
He's more and more out of control all the time. The parties, he's
Asgard.
so angry all the time.
Os velhos deuses de Asgard.
Do you mean with you?
No, not with me. No, never. Sometimes I almost wish Alan would take a swing at me, because at least that'd lead to a conversation he couldn't just march out of. But no. Alan doesn't really sleep. And the work, well, he's not writing at all. He sits there for hours and just gets more and more frustrated. And I can't talk to him.
Yes. Tell me, Mrs. Wake. What would you say to him if he'd listen?
I don't know. I want to say, I look at you, and it's not you. Just some stranger who resembles you. Looking out from behind your eyes, and I don't like that guy much. And now it's all gonna go to hell.
But you don't ever say this.
No. I've tried, but he's not listening. He's too deep in his own problems, always going on about something else. I'm so afraid I'm gonna lose him, and we're not even talking anymore. He doesn't let me in anymore. He just keeps me in the dark. I'm so alone here, even when he's home. Please help me, Doctor, because I
get him here, I'll absolutely do my very best.
Yeah, but Doctor, you need to be careful with him. He's not just going to listen to you and cooperate. He's the most stubborn man I've ever met.
Well, I'll be sure to bear that in mind.
Hearing her voice, what she was saying made me happy and sick and guilty all at once. Worst of all, I recognized the words. The phone call from her. It had been a cut-up of this. Just a recording.
Rudolph Lane's case is interesting. He was completely blocked, and frankly, I was about to discard him as useless. However, once Wake arrived and started writing, something changed in Rudolph. He's producing extraordinary work, increasingly dark pieces. Unfortunately, he doesn't respond to direction at all, and it's my belief that he's not so much a creator as an illustrator, perhaps, a recorder of sorts. I hadn't considered the existence of such a role before, let alone its implications, but the paintings he has produced are informative. At least he's easily controlled and useful. I wish I could say the same about Wake. It's frustrating that the best subjects are always so damn difficult to deal with.
Not buying that. I was tailing Wheeler, and this is
É só ter interagido mais uma vez só.
That means Wake is probably there too.
Agent Nightingale, this is
Eu interagi duas vezes, era
I will
três.
not allow you to disturb my patients.
Yeah? I can get a warrant. How would your fragile little patience like that?
Faz o barulho da conquista aí,
Thoroughly
ó.
intimidated
Não,
by
vai.
your mighty authority now, Agent.
Listen, you smug snob. How would you like it if I busted through this gate and knocked you around a little?
Agent Nightingale, first of all, I'm recording this conversation, so you might want to watch what you say. Secondly, you're not dealing with a hick now. I know the law, and if you can get a judge to grant a warrant, I'll be glad to cooperate. But you won't get one. Be advised that any further communications with me are to be made through my lawyer.
I don't believe this.
Good day, Agent.
Yeah.
Quer ver aqui? Não, tem um PC. Tem um lugar que eu tenho que interagir com a TV, que eu não sei. Deixa eu ver aqui. Tá. Ah, esse aí eu já vi, já. Esse aí eu já peguei, né? Deixa eu ver aqui. Tem, então... Peraí pra pegar aqui, sim. Tô louco, passar aquela parte lá do... Ai, menino de caca. Que depois. Sim. God. The line on the coconut twice. Ah, tem que pôr de novo. Ah tá, quando a gente volta lá dá pra pôr de novo a música. Flare gun. Isso aqui vai ter que ser cumulativo, né? Estatística. Flare gun tá quanto? Flare gun 40. Ah tá. Hora chega. Só a gente jogar várias vezes. Eu não vou avançar ainda, não. Eu quero ver aqui tudo. Tá aqui onde eu parei. 54 termos. Direito. Esse aqui. Esse aqui também. Que raiva, mano. Do nada essa droga inicia. De novo jogando. Vai voltar um checkpoint atrás. Perder na ordem dos negócios. Checkpoint. Ah. Deus.
I didn't know what the chaos was all about, but it could be my only chance of getting out.
Where the hell did he get a damn hammer?
I don't know.
Here's a friendly poke from Mjolnir, witch. Oh, afraid of the crazy
crazy brothers, are ya? Not so weak now, are we? Well, things are unraveling fast, aren't they?
Sinclair looked bad. That wasn't a love tap. The crazy old fart hit her hard. If she was one of Hartman's goons, she had it coming. I could get the key to the office wing from Sinclair.
Betão, tudo bom?
Music, Birch. It's time to pay the piper.
I had to get to Hartman's office. He had taken all my manuscript pages.
Exato.
That's where he'd been keeping them.
Café também. Isso aí, é.
The photo
Betãozado.
on the wall caught my attention. In it, the clinic staff was standing outside the lodge. I knew the man next to Hartman. He was the kidnapper. Hartman had been playing me all along. The markings on the tape said they were recordings Hartman had made of the sessions with his patients.
Aí dormiu bem,
I saw
Betãozado.
Alex's name on one of them. For a moment, I couldn't breathe right.
Ah, eu tinha visto as coisas já.
I almost wish Alan would take a swing at me, because at least that'd lead to a conversation he couldn't just march out of. But no,
Curiosidade de pé, é bom, é
Alan
bom.
doesn't really sleep. And the work, well, he's not writing.
What, is this how you get your pick, Hartman? I knew you were weird. You got that weird guy look. If you're one of those nurses, I can't tell
O PC reiniciou cada.
What would you say to him if he'd listen?
Muito doido aqui.
I want to say, I look at you, and it's not you. Some stranger who resembles you.
Eu tinha pegado a conquista dele, né, gente?
That guy much.
Barry?
Ow! About time!
Barry, man, am I glad to see you. We need to get to Hartman's office.
It's right next door.
Vou abrir de novo as kills, trem. Bom demais, mas qual dos dois você diz? E o 2 ou e o. Se bem que ele é bem que é expansão. Ah, voltou tudo aqui. Olha o vídeo aqui. Voltei em outra parte. 1 e o 2, ah, sim. Jogou American Nightmare, não? Não, medo, é? Ô, louco. Aqui, né? DLC? É, mais ou menos uma DLC, só que é standalone. É tipo um DLC com uma standalone, né? Que é um jogo. Como se fosse um jogo. Jogo normal? Tava os dois na Steam, né? Uns 5 e pouco. Eu tô com ele pra jogar também. Bugado aqui, ó. Os negócios abrindo aqui. Olha o que eu vi, ó. Não tava no jogo, só tava vendo ali o vídeo. E abre as abas tudo doido, né?
The dark presence would be on me in a moment. I had to find a way out.
5 e pouquinho, mexendo. Só que eu tava. Eu tava sem dinheiro, né? O Felipe foi lá e me deu de presente ainda. Bravo. Eu tinha comentado, né, que tava na promoção. Oi. Correio. Pegar a nota. Ah, o manuscrito. É um jogo normal. Então, né, esse American Nightmare ele é mais focado em ação, né? Tipo, é mais combate e mais munição, mais arma e tal.